right, everybody, Sylvia here with Travels by Trike. I am in Texas, traveling with my friends Dave and Edna. We're on our way to go watch the eclipse, and we have stopped in San Antonio and met up with Steve and Suzanne, who have a trike tour business, and they're going to take us around San Antonio today. Hey, Steve.
Hey. Here we are.
Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. Steve has us all wired up so he can communicate with us, and if we have questions, we can ask. And we're at a storage facility in San Antonio. Let's see if I can turn this camera around. Steve's going to be leading the tour on his velomobile. And then he has a storage with a lot of trikes. So most people that do the tours with Steve use his trikes, but we have our own. And he also has souvenir water bottles with ice. So yeah,
You ready for the
absolutely, absolutely. Great. Well, we're almost ready to go. Okay, Steve's opening the gate, getting back in his wah. Here comes Dave. And Edna. All right, come on, Myrtle, let's go. A fish installation, 25 sculptures, long-eared sunfish. I'm hearing this in my ear. Steve is giving us this tour. That's pretty neat. So we got some goslings. See you later. So pretty here. I love all this stonework and the floating gardens. A lot of murals in San Antonio. In silence. We got incense. You can smell incense. Maybe they're going from mission to mission. Pilgrim of Hope is what all these t-shirts say. So this is a park, Confluence Park. Maybe one of the newer parks, and they've got this very interesting shelters that when it rains, the water drains and can be reused for everything at the park. flush toilets and water the plants. Yeah, it's kind of a cool idea. This is Mission Concepcion. It's run by the National Park Service and maybe the only National Park Service site that actually has an active church in it. So I'm really enjoying this tour Steve is leading us on. It's very, very interesting. A wonderful way to see San Antonio. And until now it's been a little bit misty, but the mist is gone and it's warming up, so a little more comfortable, a little less wet. And we're back on the Riverwalk. Downtown San Antonio. Turning on Alamo Street. It's a beautiful library here. There's lovely sculptures. Coming to the end of this fantastic tour. Steve led us all over San Antonio, up and down the Riverwalk. We saw missions, just got a ton of history. I would absolutely recommend his tour to anybody coming to San Antonio. In fact, I would even say it's worthwhile coming to San Antonio just to do his bike tours. And we had our own trikes. But he actually has a stable of trikes that you can rent. Yeah, just a really great day. It was a little bit misty when we started, but it has warmed up nicely and it's dry now. And I'm probably just perfect for cycling. And yeah, just a really great day. I really, really highly recommend Steve's tour. And here we are. Back where we started. Thank you, Steve. That was awesome.
You're very welcome.
That was really, really great. I really enjoyed it. Thank you.
Glad to have you all here.
Yeah, it's
Everybody
fun.
who watches, come out and see us.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm telling them. All right, you guys, thanks for following along, and I'll see you next time.